All right, guys, welcome to a new week, new vlog. It's week 3, Project Van H, and look at that. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. I know it sounds like I'm just constantly doing a weather report, but I mean, this project does rely heavily on the weather. It has to be nice weather in order for me to be able to work on the van because we don't have a garage that can fit such a high vehicle. But it's finally beautiful weather. It's already Thursday. I didn't do anything this week because it was just raining, pouring. I couldn't do anything. But yesterday I drove out to the other side of the Netherlands to pick up this. So we came in contact with the shipping company and we got a new window. I went out there to pick it up myself so that nothing could go wrong this time, and it came back whole. So no glass shards. It's a completely new window, and we are going to install it right there. So this entire panel is going to be cut out right here, and this is where the new window will come. I want to get that done as soon as possible because I feel like the longer we wait, the more chance there will be for the glass to break. So I'm actually gonna start doing that today. I wasn't planning on it because it's such a big project and I wanted to take my time to do that, but I really want to get it in as fast as possible, and it doesn't seem too hard, so I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, this is a huge step in the entire camper conversion. Look at that, dude. That looks almost OEM. I mean, that looks insane. I've never installed a window before. This was the first time, and I think it looks insane. I got it completely glued on there with the window sealer. I got the duct tape on there just to hold it in place for now. Gonna leave it like this for a couple hours to let it dry. But I mean, look at that. It's a tinted window, so it's smoked. You can't look in. That looks almost OEM. I mean, a 20-year-old did that. I mean, come on, guys. So I'm super happy with this. I think that's it for today. It did take quite long, but I mean, that was to be expected. I cut the hole with the saw. The first saw wasn't working. I mean, it's a complete mess in here. The first saw wasn't working, so I had to get a different one, get the blades. There it is. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I had to cut the hole, get the rubber on. The rubber wasn't going on how I liked it, but it's finally completely on. And then now, I mean, I'll see what I can do tomorrow. If it's this kind of weather tomorrow, which was absolutely beautiful, I'm gonna see if I can do the roof. But I mean, super happy with how this turned out. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess. I'm gonna let this dry. Maybe you'll see a video of me taking off the tape and then testing some stuff out. But once it's all dry, I'm gonna do a water test, make sure it doesn't leak anywhere. But so far, I'm really happy with how it turned out, guys. So I'll see you later. All right, y'all. It is. It's almost been like a week since I recorded the window. I ended up getting corona, and I had to lay in bed. I couldn't get out of bed. I couldn't do anything, which really sucked. So I'm sorry I didn't record anything then, guys. So I've fallen a bit behind. But it's all part of the process. I guess things weren't always gonna go as planned. I'm still a little bit, I just got stuffed with sinus stuff. So hopefully that'll all get better soon, but I really wanted to work on the bus, so I just came out here. Just got back from school. It's okay-ish weather. I don't have too long, so I'm just gonna see if I can get some wires run through. So the light switch is gonna go right here, and then we want some lights in the roof, and we have the roof vent that's gonna need power and some other things. I have a little drawing out there for all the wires. Should be a pretty easy day. Again, I still am sick. I do want to get the roof vent done as soon as I can, but I need at least a full day for that, and I don't have that today. So I'll see when I can get that done, but should be a relatively easy day, just getting some wires run through. Glad to be working on the bus again, because it's been a while, so I'll see you guys later. All right, y'all, I'm back. Starting to get dark. Took longer than I expected, but it still wasn't that hard to do or anything. Some things got in the way. I had to drill holes here because I didn't want to, because we're going to be placing walls up against this, so I didn't want wires sticking out. So drilled holes, got all the wires fed through. We have two thick wires that start back here that go up to where the roof fence is going to be, up over there, and then a bunch of thinner wires that are coming here where the light switch is going to be, and then going all via the roof to not to the front yet because I didn't know where to put them in the front, and to the back over here. So far I tucked them away as much as I can. I'm going to get them zip tied up because of course there's going to be a roof here, so this all needs to come up a little bit, but for right now I'm super happy with how it's going. I should get this done pretty quickly. If it's better weather, I'm going to get the roof vent done tomorrow, but for now, everything's going great. My brother's going to be coming soon, so get ready to see that. We're going to get some stuff done together, so super excited for that, and I'll hopefully catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully feeling a little bit better. All right, y'all, it's the next day here. We're getting an early start on the day, earlier than yesterday. It's nice and dry out. It is cold, but I do think it's gonna stay dry the entire day, so I'm gonna get the roof vent installed. I already held up the wooden frame that we made a couple days ago. I held it up here, and I drew a little template. I'm just gonna drill some holes in the corners, and then I'm gonna get up on the roof, and I'm gonna cut it from the roof, but I just had to draw this out so that I know where to drill the holes. I think it will go pretty easily. I do see a couple problems with the bumps in the roof, but we'll figure that out once we get there. Right now I'm just going to cut the hole and then hopefully get the wooden frame glued up there. So I'll see you guys later. All right, y'all. I'm on the roof of the van right now. Pretty high up, actually, because the van's really high and now I'm super high and not afraid of heights or anything, luckily, but it might be windy up here, so I hope you guys can hear me. But I have the roof fan installed, and it wasn't easy because it had to fit perfectly, and there's bumps that we had to deal with. But I'm super happy with how it turned out. We got a bunch of this stuff. I could put that everywhere just to make sure it wouldn't leak. So I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. I put kit and screws, and I don't see this thing ever moving or falling off or leaking water. So I'm gonna let this dry for a while, and then I'm gonna give it a little water test on the inside. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. I think I'm gonna wait once the roof's in to get the inside done, and then I'll see you guys later. So we're in the inside of the van right now, and this is what it looks like on the inside. You can see it's got the fan with the small window at top on the top, and then it's gonna open forwards, and you can, I don't know, it's made for this. I guess it's made to pump out some air, get some fresh air in. I don't know if it sucks air in or pumps air out. I actually have no idea, but I'm sure my brother knows that. This is all for him. But yeah, so I'm super happy with it. I mean, just look how awesome it looks. It's all screwed into this wood, and there's so many layers of tape and kits, and I don't see this being a problem. So I think right now I'm just gonna get some insulation put here and there, because I didn't do that yet because I wanted to know how much room I had. And then I guess I'm just gonna let it dry and then get to waterproofing it or seeing if it's waterproof. So I'll see you guys later. All right, y'all, I just got the insulation done on the roof. The van is currently soaking wet because I just sprayed it down with the hose from the roof, and I just tried to get it as wet as possible, and I don't see any water leaking, so that's super good. You can see it's completely wet, no water's coming through, it's watertight. So that's super good. It's a super good sign. I don't need to kit anything off. So I'm super happy with that. I got the insulation done, and as far as I'm concerned now, the roof's done with the wiring. Of course, that all needs to be tucked away, but my brother's coming next week, and I think this was a really successful week. We got a lot of stuff done. We got the window and the roof vent. Those are the two, I think, biggest things for this project, so I'm super happy for this week. We got a lot done, and I'm super happy with how things are going. We still have a lot to do, but I think as far as I'm concerned, the way things are going and how fast it's moving, I'm super excited. And I think now we can really start on making the van look nice and start really moving forward, because I think these were the biggest and the hardest things to do. So I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching this again, guys. I hope that you guys have a wonderful week, and please, again, let me know. This is still really new to this. Let me know if there's anything you want me to do differently, if there's stuff you want to see more of. Please, I would appreciate it a lot, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.